Should I say in the beginning, I won't be drinking this, or should I just wait until the end? Yeah, no, it doesn't look funny that I'm pregnant. They won't be drinking. Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my personal favorite drinks, a classic Mai Tai. So this is to the basics, very, very classic drink. It's very boozy, lots of rum. It's not, some restaurants will give you the drink with pineapple juice and grenadine. Totally not that. So if you're ready, let's get started. So our first steps are going to be to add pretty much the majority of our ingredients into a shaker and shake it. So first off, we'll do our syrups. So here we have our almond orgeat syrup. And if you're gonna make a classic Mai Tai, this is syrup you'll definitely need. We're just gonna do 1 pump of that. And then also our rock candy syrup. This is also an ingredient in the majority of classic Mai Tai recipes. This is also another really good syrup to have handy for any home bar. It's a really good, simple syrup sweetener. Next is a 1/2 ounce of 151 rum, 1/2 ounce of orange curacao, and 3/4 ounce of just regular dark rum. Next, I'm gonna squeeze the juice of 1 lime in here. All right, now let's shake it all up. All right, now we're just gonna pour the contents of our shaker into a tiki glass. Classic tiki cocktail has to have that classic tiki glass, right? I'm just gonna top this off with a little bit more ice. And lastly, we're just gonna float some Meyers dark rum on top. For a Mai Tai, you always have to have that dark rum float. Most importantly, add your cute little tropical garnish. We have a cherry here, a little bit of mint leaves, pineapple, and a lime wheel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot be drinking this cocktail right now, but I will be sharing it with a friend. Cheers! If you guys make it at home, be sure to tag us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Amoretti. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.